Hello everybody, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I just wanted to show you all some things that I'm working on. Still having problems with my voice. This is a poncho I've started. It's only a 2-point poncho, and I love these colors for fall. And I'm using that Red Heart Unforgettable in Whimsical. This is how much is left of one skein. I love the way it comes out, and it is so soft. But so this would be the front and this would be the back, and it's just done with a V-stitch. So that is where I am on that. I just love those colors. I think they're beautiful. I was afraid, and for me being so hot-natured, I don't think it'll be bad because it's a pretty kind of lightweight yarn. And then I got the Volkswagen bus bag done. I didn't do too great of a job on the VW there. Made the little lights smaller, and those lights in the handle, I think it's cute. And then this is where I'm at on, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, my colorful, I'm working on the border, and it's going to have several rounds of the border. A color, and then the cream, and then a color, then the cream. And I don't know how many rounds of that I'm going to do, but that kind of gives you an idea there of what all I've been working on. I made some dishcloths, and I put little borders on those. And I'm going to make some more because I still have plenty of this. I think I got 2 dishcloths out of one of these. No, more, because I made a smaller one out of that. So that is what I'm working on currently, and kind of just, that's finished finally. And it shouldn't take me long for this poncho. And then I want to make a granny square bag to match this poncho, because these are more like my colors, like fall colors. And then I'm going through some of my fall craft items, and hopefully, I'm still waiting on Wi-Fi because I can't, or fiber optics. I won't be able to do a craft video without fiber optics. It literally, my last ones took 3 days to upload, and they were 20 minutes long. So, and I can't do it with my phone data either in my phone. I could, but I don't have a good enough setup with my phone. So, I hope y'all are having a good day, and I will see you all in the next video.